Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're taking our rapid-fire tour of the digital engine running our modern world. From the smartphone in your pocket to the massive servers routing global finance, computers literally shape almost every single second of our day. We're going to break down exactly what they are and look at the 10 massive ways they power our world. So, buckle up.
Okay, let's dive into this. At its absolute core, what actually is a computer? If you strip away all the marketing jargon, it's really just an electronic machine. It accepts data, follows your exact instructions, processes that information, produces an output, and stores the results. It's basically the ultimate, seamless marriage of physical hardware and instructional software.
It all boils down to a super fast, basic four-step cycle: input, processing, output, and storage. Whether you're typing a quick prompt on your laptop or pulling cash from an ATM down the street, these four steps trigger in fractions of a second. You give the input, the CPU processes it, the screen outputs the result, and memory stores it for later. It is wild how fast this happens.
And this brilliantly illustrates a vital difference we kind of overlook all the time: data versus information. Think of it like this. Data is just raw facts, right? Like the random numbers 72, 84, and 91. But when a computer processes those numbers, adding and averaging them, it creates information, meaningful output, like a final test score. Computers basically take the raw, chaotic data of our world and, well, make it make sense.
All right, moving right along to Sprint 1, powering work and money. Let's look at the first 5 ways computers drive our everyday productivity and finances. Let's go.
Here are our first 5 massive daily uses. Think about education. You're streaming live classes and crunching giant spreadsheets. For communication, we're talking global video calls and instantaneous emails to anyone, anywhere. At work, computers are automating all those boring, repetitive tasks and tracking warehouse inventory in real time. Then there's banking. They power ATMs, instant wire transfers, and absolutely crucial fraud detection. And finally, shopping. We completely rely on digital carts, instant price comparisons, and those lightning-fast barcode scanners at checkout.
Let's move to and see how this builds into Sprint 2, upgrading life and play.
Blast through these next 5 with me. In healthcare, computers are scheduling your medical checkups and rendering incredibly complex diagnostic imaging. For entertainment, it's high-octane gaming, streaming video, and music production. In research, they're running massive statistical analyses and complex simulations that humans literally couldn't do manually. Transportation relies on them for everything from booking flights and real-time GPS navigation to timing city traffic signals so you don't hit every red light. And lastly, personal info, managing our budgets, organizing thousands of digital photos, and pinging us with those lifesaver calendar reminders.
So the crucial point is that wielding these powerful tools comes with a bit of responsibility. Just a few quick pro tips for you. First, never reuse weak passwords. One breach ruins your day for sure. Always back up your important files. If you're researching, verify your sources. Because remember, a computer will process incorrect information perfectly accurately. Oh, and a classic beginner mistake we've all seen. Remind your friends not to confuse the CPU processor chip with the entire computer tower.
Which brings us to a massive question to end on. If computers already flawlessly manage our money, our health, our global research, and our travel, what complex part of human life will they automate next? Think about it. Thanks for joining this explainer and keep questioning the tech around you.